Sophia here from my great challenge. I hope you enjoyed this little segment. I just finished making a soup for tonight. It's Sunday. We were supposed to have a major snowstorm. Nothing, not even an inch. And then it rained. Half of it is gone already. So yeah, it went bust. But soup is ready because tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day and we're off, and it's gonna be like 10 degrees outside. 5 at night and 10 degrees. So it's minus in Europe, it's like minus 12, something like that. It's gonna be pretty chilly, so I wanna make sure we get a nice soup. And plus Sunday night, you know, most of the time I have a soup if Scott doesn't do his burritos. So it's kind of like a day in the life today. I'm going to film the video for the planner giveaway, so you probably saw that already. So it's going to be a separate video. So it's going to take me a good look at the time, right? It's 1:30. It's going to take me about a half an hour to do that, and then we're probably going to go out for lunch, and we're going to go to Aldi, and I want to do a little bit of a Q&A while I'm doing some quilting downstairs. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not going to be too much, but you know, it's kind of like a day in the life, kind of like a lazy Sunday with no plan whatsoever. Okay, so we're on our way for lunch, and Edward, where are we going?
Place with ramen.
A place with ramen. We're going to, it's a chain, it's called Inspiration Row, I think. Is that the name, Scott?
Don't remember.
So it's kind of like a fusion Japanese with other food, and you can get like sushi burritos and you can get ramen food, and once we're done with that, I think we're going to Aldi, but we're going to a different Aldi to do a weekly supermarket run. And yeah, told you, boring day. So yesterday was movie night, right? And we watched The Old Man and the Gun. Is that the name of it?
The name
right, with Robert Redford, and we really liked it.
Robert Redford, Sissy Spacek, and Casey Affleck.
And it was kind of mopey. I didn't like Casey Affleck, but Tom Waits is in it, and Danny Glover, right?
Yep.
And Edward, you liked it a lot.
Yeah, I like the theme.
He liked the theme. What did you like best about the movie?
So I like the theme of it because, like, it's two dudes, right? A cop and an old guy. And the old guy's really prosperous, but he's prosperous because of crime and, like, being charismatic. And then the other guy's, like, this awkward, shy, and reserved cop. But the thing is, because he fights for justice in the end, the old guy ends up being really unsatisfied with his life.
Was he?
Yeah, I mean, he literally just...
Oh, yeah, right. When he stopped robbing banks, he was just like, ugh.
Yeah, so he's nothing without crime, but the
right, that was very interesting.
The cop is actually something without, like, being a cop. He has a family and stuff.
Right, okay.
I hadn't thought of that.
Right, isn't he in deep thoughts once in a while?
Nerd.
So what did you like about it, Scott?
Well, I liked the music was fantastic.
Right.
And because it had like a jazzy kind of theme to it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it didn't stick to that jazzy thing. That also had some kind of folksy elements of it as well.
Right.
The editing was very nice.
Yes.
Very, very good. The characters were very well thought out and well written, and you could empathize with them very easily. And I felt like Robert Redford's, the nature of his character, you know, you think about it as he's a bank robber, but he's very charismatic, and you actually, you know, like if this guy came into your bank to rob you, you might actually feel good about being robbed. You know?
Aside from that one girl who started crying.
Because it was her first day.
I like what he said to the girl when she started crying. He's like, relax, you're doing great.
Yeah, right. He was kind of a gentleman. We don't want to give you too much of, spoilers on it, but we really enjoyed it. And I had a very bad migraine. I thought I was going to fall asleep. And then it just, I don't know, my migraine disappeared. It was a very good movie. Willie, you liked it?
Yeah, you were starting to fall asleep before the movie even started.
Right, and the movie woke me up because it was interesting. So very good writing, and for some reason, the editing reminded me of Eye of the Beholder, but it's not the same guy, right?
I'd have to see that movie again because I haven't seen that.
No problem with me if you want to see it again. It's one of my favorite movies.
I like that movie too, but
so
you know, it's not.
The Old Man and the Gun, and I think I recall.
There's a remake coming out.
No, I think that was the remake?
I think I recall hearing an interview on NPR with Robert Redford, and I think he said that was his last movie because he was retiring. So that was good. Good way to end. Anyway, we are almost at the restaurant. I'm going to show you a little clip of outside so you can see the big storm that we got. Big quotes around it. Look at all this snow, this emergency we got.
Yeah,
this is
snow day for
Grover
this.
Cleveland's house, by the way. President Grover Cleveland. Yes, we are in Caldwell.
That's his birthplace, not his house.
Oh, his birthplace. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at all this state of emergency snow we got. Yes. Yes. So Edward is making total fun of me here because I thought the restaurant was Inspiration Row. And what is it?
Hold on, I'm gonna have to see again.
I think it's Hokkaido Roll.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're back home. We didn't get a lot because we already, I don't know, I guess we got a lot of food left. We got veggies and meatballs because I just finished the last pack of meatballs when I did the soup this morning. We got more coffee, more of the almonds. Need a toothpaste. We got chocolate. We have raspberry jam because we're out of jam. We were out of the Pam, phony Pam spray. We got deodorant for Scott. Regular Cheerios, and then these were interesting, and I think I bought them before and I really like them. And I showed them to you in the store. It's the different types of granola that they have. Over here we have the grain-free with the salmon and sweet potato dog food. Some brioche buns for hamburgers. Lots of salmon. We try to have salmon at least once a week. The cookies as usual. What was that? Black beans, dog biscuits. They're gonna go inside the little cookie jar over there. Got a loaf of bread, and then these are French fries, cat food, and then we got some frozen pizzas that are in the freezer in the garage. So I'm gonna put all that stuff away and have a hot tea, and then I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna show you what the basement looks like because it's really nice right now. I see Scott is putting rock salt in a container. Is about to do the sidewalk and the staircase right here on the deck, and then when I'm downstairs I'm probably gonna quilt something and do a little Q&A. But I'm quilting, so I'll kill two birds with one stone.